Assalamu alaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing today? I hope you are great, and I'm also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. And happy Friday to all of you. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, in this video, I'm gonna talk about vegetable garden, where you'll be looking at different types of vegetable, and we'll learn how to talk about vegetable garden. And then we'll definitely learn about so many types of vegetables name. So let's move on. And as you can see behind me, there are different types of vegetable have been planted here. Actually, this is my grandma's vegetable garden. She likes to walk here every single day. She likes planting vegetable. Actually, in winter, uh, she tried to walk here and try to plant different types of vegetable. And actually, it was cultivated yesterday. And my grandma told me that yesterday she will plant red leafy. You know, red leafy. It's really tasty. And actually, I try to practice by making video. That's why I'm in front of camera right now, as you can see. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that actually this is the best way to iron out our problems. Actually, we know different types of words, so many words, but we don't know how to speak English, and we don't know how to apply it in our daily language, in our daily conversation. And we know different types of verbs, adjectives, and so on. However, we don't know how to apply it in sentences and how to make sentences with verbs, adjectives. So, dear brothers and sisters, do you know what is this? This is radish. In Bengali language, we call it mula. This is radish. Uh, wow, it's really tasty. We can make salad. We can make salad with radish. Uh, Radish salad is really tasty. So you can try it. So as you can see behind me, these are chili trees. Wow, there are flowers. There are chili flowers. As you can see, wow, white flowers. As you can see, white flowers. There are chili flowers. These are white, and these look very beautiful. Uh, wow, as you can see, wow, green chili. There is a green chili. Wow, there are so many green chilies. Wow, green chili. As you can see, green chili. There, green chili. You know, what is this? Do you know what is this? What is this? Do you know what is this? This is eggplant. This is eggplant trees. Actually, I'm trying to apply my vocabulary, my uh, sentences. Actually, I try to make a video for improving my speaking. Uh, this morning, I just thought of making video, and I just thought that how about making video? Well, this is pumpkin. Well, wow, there is a pumpkin. There is a pumpkin. It looks beautiful. Wow, it's a small pumpkin. A pumpkin has vitamin A. It's really flavorsome. It's really flavorsome pumpkin. Uh, these are uh, chili trees. These are green chili trees. Uh, there are chilies, and there are chili flowers. They are really white flowers. So whenever I feel uncomfortable at home, whenever I feel alone at home, and whenever I feel bored, I try to come here and try to water this vegetable garden. Actually, this is my grandma's vegetable garden, as I have mentioned back. Well, do you know what is this? This is called these are called a string bean. These are called a string bean. Two types of bean, lima bean and a string bean. These are called a string bean. A string bean. Wow, there are chili trees. As you can see behind me, there are chili trees. Actually, my grandma planted here uh, chili. My grandma planted here chili, and over there, as you can see, red leafy. Wow, I like red leafy. It's really tasty. Wow, this is red leafy. This is red leafy. Actually, there are very few red leafy trees. Actually, red leafy is not planted yet. Red leafy is not planted here. And my grandma told me yesterday when I was cultivating over there, as you can see, I was cultivating over there yesterday with my grandma. At that time, my grandma told me that here I will plant red leafy because as you can see behind me, there are very few red leafy. That's why my grandma told me that here I will plant red leafy. And over there, these are coriander leaves. Coriander leaves, in Bengali language, we call it done fata or bahar. In our mother tongue, actually in my mother tongue, we call it in Bengali bahar pata. And I think these are called also done fata in Bengali language. In English, we call it coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. It's really appetizing. For example, when you try to make salad, at that time you have to add it. You have to add it with salad. If you add it, if you apply it, it's really tasty, flavorsome. Well, this is pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. As you can see, this is pumpkin. Actually, I like vegetable garden, and I every single day try to water here. As I have mentioned that whenever I feel uncomfortable at home, I come here and try to water. In this morning, actually this morning, I watered here with my grandma. Actually, I often come here. I often water. Every single day, my grandma works here. Actually, she likes planting, cultivating. She likes planting different types of vegetable. That's why she works here every single day. Actually, at this time, my grandma is not here. Actually, she's at home. Maybe she's at home. That's why she's not here. As you can see behind me over there, as you can see behind me over there, people are cultivating. Actually, they are cultivating for planting, like this vegetable garden. They are trying to cultivate for planting different types of vegetable. For example, potato, eggplant, watermelon, uh, pumpkin, chili, and then red leafy uh, cauliflower, cabbage, radish, basil, what to say, a string bean, and then they try to they actually they plant onion, garlic, ginger, and so on. Well, as you can see behind me, These are sweet potato trees. These are sweet potato trees. It's really tasty. Actually, sweet potato, it's really flavorsome. I like it. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, I I have showed you different types of, so many types of vegetable: pumpkin, chili, red leafy, radish, uh, coriander leaves, and eggplant trees. As you can see, eggplant trees, and a string bean, and sweet potato trees, tomato. Wow, tomato trees. These are tomato trees. Tomato trees. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, which one do you like? Please leave me a comment about it. I don't want to make it more longer. Allah Hafiz.